Print on demand has revolutionized e-commerce, enabling entrepreneurs to build profitable businesses with minimal upfront costs. To maximize your earnings in 2025, targeting the right niches is crucial. Here are 5 high-potential niches to explore. Eco-friendly products are becoming a top choice for consumers. Items like reusable bags and organic apparel resonate with eco-aware audiences. The pet industry is booming. Personalized pet-themed products, like custom portraits on mugs and t-shirts, are in high demand. The focus on health and fitness continues to grow, creating a lucrative market for fitness-themed products. Hobbyists are passionate buyers willing to spend on products that reflect their interests, from gamers to gardening enthusiasts. With growing mental health awareness, products promoting self-care and positivity are trending, like journals and wall art. Breaking into the 100K plus club requires creativity, smart marketing, and choosing the right niches. Start building your pod empire today.